What's up, my dogs and my peeps? This is gonna be a different video. I'm home alone. Like, no one, like, not a soul is here right now. And I don't know if you heard that, but I swear to God, I am hearing voices. Like, I'm just watching The Office, and I am hearing just like some strange fucking noise. Like, I don't even know. So we're just gonna go on a little journey. Hopefully I don't get scared. Okay, now we're gonna need the flashlight for this, okay? Okay. Now I'm just gonna go. Yo, I'm hearing some strange shit. Okay. Now what I'm basically gonna do, I'm just gonna go through the whole house and just like just try not to get fucking scared. Okay. Whoa! Closet is clear. The bathroom. Now the bathroom is by far one of the scariest parts of a house, is because it's very isolated and there's tiles, and also that's where people take shits, and it's not really that pleasant. Okay. I also forgot to check the shower. But first, we're gonna check the toilet. What the fuck? I'm hearing shit! Bathroom is clear. Now, the second scariest part of the house is always a bedroom and or room that isn't yours. Like, for example, this is my bedroom. This is the other bedroom. I don't know this bedroom. That's what's scary. It's the unknown. So we're just gonna go through here. Hello? 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 Okay. Okay. Fuck! Oh, it's just my fish. Okay, now the second scariest part of a tour of the house is places that you can't normally reach. Now, you've seen horror movies where, like, the cliche is the second you look under the bed, there's usually nothing there. But then when you look away, there's always usually something. Oh my! I'm hearing shit! I swear to God, I'm hearing shit. I just heard someone just go, Today fucking sucks. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this. Alright, closet. Now the closet is the fourth scariest thing in the house, an unknown house, is because it's usually blocked, so you can't normally see what's in it the whole time, and that's what makes it scary, so. I wonder what the fucking neighbors are hearing right now. Legit Home Alone. You've seen Home Alone on TV? It ain't like this. Like, there is no one else in this house but me. I'm all alone. Now, you would think in horror movies, like, the only solution would just be go outside. But I can't.